I used to use beard leave-in conditioner, but it's been quite a while since I've used it, and I don't ever plan on using it again. Now that is a change, and I would like to share in this video what has changed with my experiences and share those thoughts with you guys. I also want to go over if I recommend it for anybody in any situation in general, and then likely add in some additional information to go with all that. But first, a quick introduction. My name is Dan. Thank you for checking this video out. If you could, real quick, it's 100% for free. Hit that thumbs up to show YouTube you like this content. And if you like beards, learning about them, taking care of them, consider subscribing to this Dan C Bearded YouTube channel if you're not already. And sincerely, thank you to those returning subscribers out there. So I used to make videos showing how I used beard leave-in conditioner, when I would use it, my favorite ones, but it has been a long time since I've touched that product. And again, I don't plan on using it ever again. And the reason why is pretty simple. I don't feel that I need it anymore. I used to use it as like a once or twice a month kind of an emergency repair method, and I would use it at nighttime. And I would use it after days where I was in the pool or in the ocean or somewhere where my beard just felt less than optimal. And I thought that was my way of bringing my beard back. And who knows, maybe it was. Maybe that truly was the impact that I had. There's lots of people that used it back then. There's lots of people that use it now, and lots of people that will use it into the future. I want to start by saying too, I am not saying anybody out there don't use beard leave-in conditioner. That's not what this video is about. But I like being transparent. I think that it's a terrible flaw with people to say something and then be married to it and be embarrassed when stuff changes and not want to go out and acknowledge it. I am happy to acknowledge it. I'm happy to take the heat that comes with that. You've changed, you're different. Yes, absolutely. All I can do is share my updated information, experiences, and thoughts with you guys. So beard leave-in conditioner is a water-based product. It's like your beard conditioner in the shower, but it's meant to stay in your beard and then be rinsed out hours and hours later. Now, number one ingredient in all of these is going to be water, and then you have some different ingredients in there that have their conditioning agents. I don't use it anymore because I don't like the way it makes my beard feel anymore, and I don't think that the purpose is achieved when we can use other products to do it in a better way. And I'll explain all of that. But my method that I would do before is at night, I would take a warm shower and then I would apply the leave-in conditioner to the beard hair. I didn't use oil before, I didn't use oil after, I didn't use any other products because, and I think this logic is still sound, I don't think any of the products can do their job if they're competing with each other. And what do I mean by that? If you apply the leave-in conditioner first, it's going to absorb into the hair. It's going to coat the hairs and it's going to treat the hair like it should. A problem with that though is at least for that night, at least for that day, whenever you're applying it, you're not going to get any nutrients to the skin. I do not recommend applying any kind of conditioner to the skin. I believe that it has a highly likelihood of clogging your pores. So I was sacrificing the skin nutrients to really treat the hairs. I'm like, okay, well, if we go the other way, well, Dan, why don't you put oil on first down to the skin and then put on the leave-in conditioner? I don't think it's possible any way, any application method to get oil down to the skin and not get it on at least some of the hairs. Oh, well, Dan, take the dropper and put it right in the beard. Well, then you're only getting it to the spots where you're putting that dropper. That's not effective. Dan, put it on a comb and comb it into. You got to go through the hair first and oil is going to latch on to anything that it touches. Or put it on your fingertips. Same thing. You cannot get oil to your skin without also getting it to the hair. All right, well, what's the problem? Well, if you have oil on your hair and you put that leave-in conditioner, the oil's already doing the sealing. The oil's already doing the coating and filling the porous holes of that hair. Your leave-in conditioner is just going to kind of sit on top and not really do anything. So either side of that, you're giving up something. There's something in that process that I believe is not going to work properly. Now, those are just my thoughts. Do I have evidence based on that? Do I have scientific journals and studies on this one? I don't. I just have experience and I have logic, and I know that will resonate with a lot of you. Some of you will disagree, and that's great. I welcome that discussion. I would love to hear your thoughts. I would love to hear your experiences there. So for me, it just didn't fit in anymore. I felt like my beard was drier as I used it more and more. I felt like my skin wasn't getting nourishment. Now, get to the situation, right? I spent vacation in the ocean. I was in a chlorinated pool that day and my beard just doesn't feel good. I am going to super increase my water intake. Cheers. I am going to get the most nourishing, deeply penetrating oil that's going to get down to the skin and really in there and also throughout the hairs. Let that do its job for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna go with the best, most light, nourishing beard butter on the market that I believe works the best, and I put that into my beard. I'm not gonna go over any of those specifics because I'm not trying to sell anything. I just wanna share the experience and what I would do, and then when I would wake up in the morning, my beard is feeling amazing. I have that internal hydration fueling it from inside. I have the oil treating the skin. Think about like farming. You gotta treat that soil to have good crops. And then I have that beard butter with those long chain fatty acids that are so good for the hair doing its job as well. I truly believe that is the best method for anybody to have the healthiest beard, especially overnight. Now, am I discouraging the use of leave-in conditioner? No. If you feel that it's the best for you, keep doing it. That's awesome. But I don't think it's harmful for me saying, hey, one less beard product that you need to buy, one less beard product you need to store. Maybe it's saving you some money. Maybe the result is even better in the end. If not, hey, no problem, no worries. Keep doing your thing. There's some great quality leave-in beard conditioners out there with wonderful ingredients, wonderful blends. I just don't think it's for me. Now, I do believe that there are certain types of beards that do benefit from that product more than others. If you want to check out my video, I featured an amazing human called JMO704. Now, he is on the channel. He talks about his use of it. Awesome. I've never once thought like, maybe he doesn't know what he's talking about. No. He knows his beard. He knows what works for him, at least in this given moment, and I'll take his word for that. So that's pretty awesome, you guys. I would like to know your thoughts. Where does leave-in conditioner? I'm not talking shower. I use shower conditioner every other day, 3 to 4 days a week. I always wash first. Leave-in conditioner. Is it in your rotation? Is it something you've wondered about? Have you used it like me and you got away from it? What are your questions? What are your wonderings? What are your thoughts? I want to hear it all, you guys. I just am sharing my journey, sharing my thoughts, sharing my perspective, and again, let's just get that discussion going. This is just a platform for us to all share, for us all to learn and all grow, no pun intended, and have those best beards possible. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for trusting the true intentions of this, of just sharing, just helping people out. Anytime I make a video like this, there's people or companies who are like, he's trying to kill this product. No, I'm not, guys. I just want the best beard possible for you and for myself. Dan C. Bearded, please stay bearded and stay positive.